The turkey is ready. The collard greens are ready. And of course, you would like to find a great corn muffin recipe to round out your table. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have an amazing recipe for you with Jalapeño Cheddar Corn Muffins. Here are the ingredients: self-rising cornmeal, buttermilk, vegetable oil, egg, unsalted butter, white cheddar cheese, and jalapeno peppers. So let's get started. Time to build the dish. Set your timer for 20 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Corn muffins have a long history that can be traced back to the cornbread traditions of Native Americans, who relied on ground maize as a fundamental ingredient in their cooking and baking. European settlers modified Native American cornbread by adding wheat flour and leavening agents for their own baking tradition. Today, corn muffins are enjoyed across the United States, reflecting their rich heritage and blending culinary traditions. They look great right out of the oven. Butter makes everything taste better. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This easy cornbread muffin recipe combines the bold kick of jalapenos with the creamy richness of white cheddar cheese. You, your guests, friends, and family will enjoy them. Please leave a comment and or question below. And the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. These Jalapeño Cheddar Corn Muffins are a great addition to your table. Stay with us, watch the next videos.